Okay, a trade. Welcome. My name is Dale Elliott. We're in the Echotraders room. A trade that we're looking at this morning is on the YM instrument. We're looking at trading this from resistance, the top here. Our MACD indicates look for a short. We've found the resistance. We know where that is, and we look for the market to run back down to our support area. Right now it's a little reluctant to get moving. The time is about almost 9:15 Eastern. We're moving. The price action candle is below our EMA, and we'll look for a little push to the upside, and then hopefully it'll drop to the target is 17,472 and 17,500 support targets. It's reluctant to go. It looks like we're going to get our little push to the upside, and we'll see what happens.
Five seconds. There you go. There it goes to the south, where we figured it was going. Beware of fake outs up here.
So the last voice you heard is Dave Hinckley, and Dave had mentioned watch for fake outs to the upside. The market filling orders up here where the A is on the crosshairs. This year put in the lower high from our high over here. And the price action candle, the most powerful candle of all, is trading below our moving averages. We have moving average alignment to the downside, and our MACD is coming still through the zero. Momentum to the upside has dropped off. We have a blue line on the upper half of the chart there, the upper third, I guess it is, and the momentum to the upside in yellow is right in line with each candle, and that has ceased at the blue line. All you hockey fans, and we are trading below our EMA as we highlighted the EMA in little black dots here, and we'll look to see. We just look left a little bit here. We'll look to see if we can break the lower low here and continue to target at 17,472. That does not mean the price will stop there if it gets there at all. Once we get down here at 17,472, we'll look for an extra 6 ticks. That'll bring us to 17,466. It's not looking too bad. We have money locked in. If this year took you out, your job is to put your money back on where you're supposed to. The members in the room know where that is. Here we're breaking the low, and we still have almost 3 minutes to go on the countdown clock here, which is free on the platform. And always let the candle finish. We know we'll have trouble here at our 518. We talked about that in the room. Crosshairs are on 518. And we know the next trouble area should be around 17,500. And this year's crosshairs are on 17,500 roughly. And the market is there now, 500. And you look left, and I'll highlight the spot that we're looking at. It might be a little hard to see, but it's right in here, 17,500 and 495. Wow, we're trying to get to 495, of course, and you're going to manage that trade with a trailing stop to lock in more money. And we'll come back and keep you updated whether we can get to our 17,472, 69, and 66. We had mentioned in the room that this here setup here, we have the little white line here on that. This is a reason to lock in those monies. This year's gone against us before the end result, so this is too much money to give back. That your stop should stop you in the money instead of giving too much back. So we'll keep an eye on this. Okay, here we are about a minute and a half after 10 a.m. live running clock. Has the date, the day, the time, right to the second. Runs on the left-hand side of our chart. Our target 17,472 plus 6 ticks. We're looking for that. We'll see if we can get down there to. You also have a number 17,469. It's in red, hard on the left. We know that should be the next problem area, and we also know that we're not completely out of the woods here on our short position with 17,500. 17,500 right here is putting up quite a little support resistance to go to the beyond that to the downside. We always aim for the other side of the river here, at least I do, and when we get it, we're very happy. So anyways, we'll come back, we'll keep you posted. So we're not too far from our target area here at 485, 483, 484. Market is pushing. Come on, give it all. Give it up. So each target down becomes it's a support target, so it's resistance to the downside. And then we look for the target to become a resistance target, so we can get to our next support target. We call them support down here. You look left, what's it in line with? This one lines up right with the exact low of the day. And here we are, pretty close. Come on. Give it all. And we want 6 extra ticks beyond the target so we can lock in that money. Okay, here we go. The 472, and we get in the pecking order. Now we're looking for 6 extra ticks. It came to 471, I believe, here. Okay, so target reached. This here's a nice trade. And members in the room know that you get in the pecking order, take part of your position, because normally what will happen is this exact same thing that's happening right now. The bulls are jumping all over that and pushing you right back to resistance. Now we want to see 17,495. That's where it's retesting right there, right now. We want to see that hold, and then we'll retest the low. And we're looking for our 6 extra ticks. So we're just going to take a minute here, clean up our candles, our chart a little bit. We have lower lows, lower highs, and we're looking for the extra 6 ticks and beyond on our trade here with the runner, and we'll zoom out a little bit, and we want to see the 495 area become resistance so we can hang on. So far it's not looking too bad, and we'll look for our 1, 2, 3 punch to come in here, and we'll put that fib on the left here. See if we can get that 1, 2, 3 punch right about there. So that'll bring us down to 17,444. Let me move this here slightly to the right. Okay, and we'll see if we can get that. I'll turn these here numbers on the left hand side. Just one sec. Push them out of the way. Okay, so we'll see if we can get 481 back down here. We have our resistance at our 23. That's our Echotraders 1, 2, 3 punch. You saw how you go put it on. You rewind the tape and look at it many times. Our next target is 17,444. That'll give us our extra 6. And we know that we should have problems here at 17,466 and 69 area. Okay, we'll see if we can get that down there. If it won't go, it'll break 17,515. 17,515. Okay, we're looking for this to hold and drop down, even though the candles are green. And I know how hard it is to go short on green candles. Okay, so we were looking for 481. This is in the direction of the right direction. We also want to see our 6 extra ticks at 466. We'll see if we can get that next. Those of you that so multiple entries, and we get beautiful echo trades out of this.